In this video, we are going to show you this jump starter with air compressor provided by Asperx for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. A powerful jump starter at 3000 amp peak. We have your quick buttons here and a nice LED display screen. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. This here shows your preset tire pressure value, or when connected to your tire, it'll show your real-time pressure. It shows your battery indicator level. We have 3 different units of measure. Right now we're at BAR. Hold down this button. PSI, hold it down again, and KPA. You have 4 different modes to choose from. Right now we're at SUV mode. You have your car or motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, ball mode, or your free mode, in where you can set your preset value from 7 to 150 psi. This button here controls your LED light. Up on top, press it once to turn on for flashlight. Press again and you have your strobe mode. Press it one more time and you have SOS mode. Up on top, your dust cover for your jumper cables. This is where you plug in your jumper cable. You do have instructions on the back in case you need them. You have a USB-C input and USB-A output. This here is where you screw in your air hose, your USB cable, 3 different air nozzles, a storage case, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So here we have a larger 20-inch wheel, which we're going to try and inflate. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in the air hose. Turn on the device by holding the power button. So it gives me a live reading of 31 psi. We're on SUV mode. I want to set this to 36 psi. So we're going to go ahead and hit 1. No, okay. We want to set it to 36 psi. Okay. 36 psi. It does have an auto shut-off feature. To jump your battery, simply take your jumper cables, plug it in, connect these alligator clips, one to the positive and the other to the negative. You'll see a green light saying it's correct. If you have a dead battery or the battery is too low for this to detect, go ahead and hit the boost button. Try and start the engine. You also have a reverse polarity. In case you connect it in reverse, red light will go on. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.